Welcome guys, so today I am with AKG Y500 wireless headset and Android smartphone, and I'm going to show you how you can power on and power off this device. So as you can see in this place we can find this power button, right? And currently we got this small indicator highlight on the blue. It means that I'm connected right now with any other devices. So in this case I'm actually connected with my Android phone, and to power off this headset you have to move this power button like that. Take a look, this connection disappear right now. It's stay on the previously connected devices, and to power on just drag it like that. As you can see right now, the connection has changed. Right now it's active, and that's how we can make it. As you can see, that's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.